Hey. Happy holidays, you guys. Welcome to another TikTok live. I'm here every single day doing live trading and showing you guys how I make money daily. Please make sure to give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio to get access to tons of information and knowledge. It's a great place to hang out and learn without having to pay anything. Again, happy holidays, you guys. How are you doing today? We are currently trading on TradeXN here, looking for a short position with BTC USD using PSAR, the RSI, and of course the famous range bars here that only move off points and not time like the typical indicators do. Again, how are you guys doing today? Again, happy holidays. So I come on here to teach people how to use risk management and how to avoid different kinds of mistakes that I typically see in the normal beginning trader. Some of those are, of course, that they risk too much of their account and they end up blowing it and losing a lot of their money. They lack consistency with their strategies. They trade emotionally, and then they just straight trade out of boredom. We want to be able to avoid all that type of stuff. Of course, in order to do that, you want to use less than 1% of your account at all times. Always use that stop loss and take profit. And never let your emotions such as fear or greed push you into changing that strategy. And always have a clear goal of where you're trying to go. So right now we're looking for a short position as we've been climbing here for a little while. Now waiting for that PSAR over here to flip to the short position. Of course, that PSAR, if it's on bottom, and it means that we're going up. If it's on top, it means that we're going down. We are watching the range bars, of course, too. The green, again, means that we're going up, and the red means that we're going down. So we're waiting for this here to turn red and change our position here for a 50-point position here. Again, welcome to everybody who's just joining. I'm here trading every single day. Feel free to ask any questions if you want to learn more completely for free. Please give me a follow and join the Discord link in the bio. So like I was talking about, these are range bars here. They're only based off point movement, and that is it. They only move when the market adjusts a certain amount. Each one of these bars is worth 15 points each. They run off crypto stocks, forex, and indices, so you do have all sorts to choose from here, as well as you have your indices, your stocks, and your forex. Like I said, we're currently watching BTC USD, looking for a short position right now. Hey, Exchange Mind, what is going on, man? And like I've said, we're just using the range bars here, the PSAR, and then the RSI. So again, with the PSAR, is if the dots are on the bottom, it means that we're going up, and if they're on top, it means that we're going down. We're currently in a long position here. I don't want to try and catch it when it's already in the middle of a trade. I just want to catch it when it's trying to change direction here, and that's exactly what it is that we're looking for. Hopefully we'll see a reversal here pretty soon. The last high here currently was 43,950. So we're running up to that right now. We'll see if we can catch again a short 50-point position here. And again, all this stuff is about risk management. That again is why I come on here every single day. We manage our risks by making sure that we're always risking less than 1% of our account at all time. Again, that's what it's all about. That's how you'll be able to trade for a lot longer. Many make the mistake of trading 5, 10, 20, 30% of their accounts. They only do a few accounts and they trades, and they've lost a lot of their money. By doing 1% or less, you're really risking a lot less, and you can trade a lot longer. It's all about protecting your capital at all times. And you always want to set that stop loss and take profit in place anytime that you're trading right away, again, to protect your account. And then the risk reward ratio, again, is only 1 to 1, is all that I do. So if I do 50 points, it's 50 points up and 50 points down. Of course, the reason for this is we don't want to get kicked out of our trade too early as well. You don't want to make that stop loss too tight. Otherwise, it's just going to bump you out. You have to give the market room to breathe here. And again, the reason I come live is because I want to be able to learn and be very consistent. Now I'm doing well following this strategy, so I wanted to be able to share this with you guys. I'm already on here trading for 30 minutes to an hour, so I figured I'd show you guys how I do it as well. Again, we're just waiting for BTC USD to give us a reversal signal here on the range bars. Again, we'll see what it does. We're getting a PSAR reversal here. I do have on Trading View as well. 20 and 200 SMA have crossed, saying that this is going to continue up. I do use that as well on Trading View. Like I said, we're watching this, looking for a short position. I want to try and catch it when it's already in the middle of a trend. Hey, big boy, what's going on? Hey, thanks for the lives, man. Do appreciate that. Again, welcome to anybody who's just joining. I'm here trading every day as much as possible. It is the holidays. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, please give me a follow. Join the the link in my bio. And we're still trading up here on BTC USD. You can also trade XRP, LTC, and Ethereum on here. As well as there's indices as well. You have gold and oil, the Russell, the NASDAQ, and Dow Jones as well. And then you have Google, Facebook, and Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. And you have 6 different Forexes that you can trade. I trade EUR USD as well, gold, and then BTC USD. Big boy, you're always coming on here for the daily. You know, I don't trade the daily. It really doesn't help me. Don't you have a computer, bro? You're under the regular daily right now. The high was what, 4,500. You're at 43,893, and you're way. Yeah, and you're pretty far from the 200 SMA. So to me, it looks like it's going to be pulling back here after a while. I mean, it's really far apart, but we'll see how it goes. Oops, 5-minute time frame. We are over on the RSI too. We are over spot right now, so I do expect a pullback here momentarily. Again, you guys, welcome to my live. Anybody who's just joining, I'm here trading daily. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, just give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. So we're looking for a short position right now on BTC USD. We are trading on TradeXN.com is the name of my broker. You can get all that in the link in my bio, as well as the range bars here. They are streaming off my server, and you can get them for free just by using your email. Again, all this is in the link in my bio. Under Linktree, you'll see it. Again, happy holidays, you guys. Oh, this is Christmas Eve. I go to work here in a little while and do my thing. Same thing for Christmas. Some of us still have to work, so we'll see how that goes. So it is really important too when you guys are starting out. The trading takes about $10,000 to $50,000 in the market to actually do anything. The reason is that we make smaller percentage gains on a regular basis, and 1% of 10,000 is like $100. So when practicing and testing strategies, I started off like about $1,000 to $5,000, and you can trade at 0.01. It allows you to do lots of trades, around 50 cents to $1 to really get good at it. And all just, of course, depends on where you put that stop loss and take profit. So again, we are watching BTC USD. It is still climbing here, getting away from the PSAR, showing that we're still moving in the long position here. Again, I always emphasize I am not selling anything, no courses, no bots, no paid sessions. I'm just trying to grow my Discord community as well. So please make sure to give me a follow and just join that Discord link in my bio. We're around 70 members right now, working up to about 100's the goal right now. It's a good place to have an area to talk to about people. A lot of friends and family don't like talking about stocks and cryptos and stuff, so this is definitely an avenue for that as well. Looks like, all right, we got another SMA alert here. Let me get rid of that one. We are still oversold, overbought, sorry, here on BTC USD. We've crossed the 78% line here. 78.6 on the Fibonacci as well. We're starting to get a reversal here. If I get a full candle, I'm going to jump into this pullback here. A focus skip. Merry Christmas to you too. And again, with all this stuff, you guys, consistency is key. You always have to stick with your strategy because that is 100% what it really comes down to is consistency. If you're always jumping around from different indicators and different this and that, different platforms and all that, it really messes everything up. It takes months to figure out what kind of a strategy is going to work for you. But you have to have a big enough data set to really show that any kind of a scientist or whatever gets tons of information before they're making an informed decision. And this is exactly the same thing. It takes time and consistency, period. And that's all that this really comes down to. And then protecting your account is the other. Of course, setting those stop losses, only trading at 1% of your account. Protecting that is absolutely vital because the market is always changing every second of the day, and you never know what it's going to do. Your ultimate is to protect your account. I mean, that's just what it comes down to, period. I've overtraded. I've had used way too much of my percentage, and I've lost before because of that. And I've learned since then is a very good idea to just always protect your capital. That's, again, the most important. You can always make more trades if you trade small. Using these range bars here really make a big difference with that because, again, they only move when the market moves. They move off points and not time. Again, you can get these range bars in the link in my bio, so just check that out. I do expect it to be decently slow because it is Christmas Eve, at least here in the United States. So I don't expect a whole lot of volume today, but again, I'm only on here for a little while this morning before I take off for work for the day. Hey, big boy, again, thank you for all the likes, bro, as always. I really do appreciate you. Again, welcome to everybody who's just joining my live. I'm here trading every single day. Feel free to ask any questions if you want to learn more completely for free. Just give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. So again, we're looking for a trade here on BTC USD, looking for a short position here. As we've been climbing along for a minute, we're only looking for a 50-point trade. We're just doing a quick scalp here. Again, I've been using TradeXN for over 2 years now. I've been trading for 3. I was always looking for something that would work for me. And I found that the range bars seem to be one of the best overall because, again, they only move off points and not time. And they have done a 50-year testing on these and have proven that they have like a 61% win rate. So again, definitely worth using. Of course, I do use the RSI and the PSAR as well, just to give that added information of what the market is doing. So we are already in a really long position here with the PSAR, so I wouldn't want to catch it in the long position now, and it's been climbing for so long. So again, then we're watching the RSI here, which is starting to show a downtrend. So
trade down now, ETH USD.
And we're getting
down now on ETH USD.
An audio signal on ETH USD right now as well. So these do have audio signals also. So we're getting a pullback on BTC USD right now. So I will be going into a short position as soon as this candle is filled. You want to have this one full candle before you end up moving. No, I'm not moving late. So again, it's only moving when the market moves, so it's only off of points. So again, it's not off points. I'm not waiting for that candle to close. I'm only looking for those bars to tell me that it is changing direction due to points. Again, not time. Like you can see the range bar here pulled down, but it went back up again. So I'm waiting for a full close, letting me know that has moved that many points and is staying there and is on its way down. All this is really, really linear. It's just getting rid of all the noise, right? Because you have all this up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It gets rid of all that and lets you know that you're climbing. So you're only looking for that reversal. Kind of like here, it was going up and then we finally caught a downtrend and we had it trending all the way down. And then this is the next one up. So if you jumped into a short position here, you just ride that short position out. Sometimes you can get a small pullback and then a continuation down. Kind of like this one here on the Russell is a long position. It had a quick pullback and then it may be continuing up, but the market's closed, so we can't tell right now. Same thing here with, say, Ethereum as well. So it goes up, you have a pullback, and it looks like it's starting to climb back up again. So each one of those is 15 points, bro. No, you can't change time frames. These aren't on time frames. They're only off points, right? So they only move when the market is moving. It's not like the regular candles down here that are 5 points open and close. They're on a timer, right? These aren't on a timer. They only move when the market's moving that direction. So that's I'm waiting now is because we're getting that red. So I'm going to get ready. I'm still waiting because it's still moving. I want to catch this next bar confirming that we're going to continue down. And again, I'm watching also the PSAR as well. See, it's been climbing up, but we're getting close to it, which means it's going to flip and go the other way. The RSI is also down right now. It's at 75, so it's overbought as well. So all those are indicators that we're going to drop. Again, welcome anybody who's brand new and just joining. Feel free to ask any questions if you want to learn more completely for free. Give me a follow, join the Discord link in my bio. We're currently watching BTC USD right now on TradeXN, looking for a short position. We're also using their range bars, RSI, and the PSAR indicators as well. Hey, yeah, Focus Kid, thanks for the lives. Do appreciate that. The likes. Julio Brazil, welcome to my live. So we're watching BTC USD right now, looking for a quick 50-point reversal here. And so once I enter a trade, it'll be 0.5, which is spelled as 1% of my account. Like I said, it's all about risk management and protecting your account at all times. I'm just doing quick trades in and out, 50 points, and it's 50 points up, 50 points down, which is a 1-to-1 ratio. Here's how I do my trading. Again, I've been doing trading for 3 years. It's taken a while to really figure out, how things work. Again, it takes time to be in the market to understand it, and then every single different pair that you could be into, they all move a little bit different, and so it's good to stick with a pair for a while and learn how it moves, how the market reacts to it and all that kind of stuff. So again, we're just watching BTC for a short position here. I got about 15 more minutes and I've got to jump off. Just want to see if I catch a quick trade before I went to work today. Hey, Babunka 2050, welcome to my live. How you doing this morning? Again, welcome everybody who's just joining. Please feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, please give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. We're currently watching BTC USD on TradeXN and using these range bars here, looking for a reversal. This we've been climbing here for a little while. We're sitting at the 78.6 in the Fibonacci here, so we're definitely getting some resistance. See if it's going to push back some as well. The RSI is overbought, so it should be getting a drop here as well. And then I use the PSAR for direction. Also, as you can see here, we're in the long position here. PSAR is getting looks like it's getting ready to flip here. The closer they get to the candles, is a good indication it's going to flip as well. So again, I'm just waiting for my range bars here to close out this bar here, to let me know that we have confirmed that we are dropping down. And then I'll join in with my volume of 0.5, which is 1% of my account. Again, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Kwanzaa, I guess, whatever it is that everybody celebrates again. Happy holidays to everybody. Hope y'all with family and friends on these holidays. I will be heading to work. Some of us do got to work the holidays, keep things moving, right? So that is what I will be doing here tonight and tomorrow. Again, watching BTC USD for this short position here. We'll see how this bar ends up closing out and ride this short position down. Again, welcome you guys. How you guys all doing today? So again, like I said, this is all about risk management. And we always protect our accounts when using risk management. Only trading 1% of our account. Again, using stop losses and take profit is what it's all about. That's exactly why I'm here, and why I go live, to teach people how to protect their accounts more than anything else, because the market's always moving and then it will take your money if you don't protect it.
Trade down now. BTC.
All right, so there we got an audio signal as well. So now we're in that short position here, and we will set our stop loss. Again, 50 points. Which is going to be 873. Oops. 812. Come on, I can't count today. There we go. All right. And then take profit, the same thing. Like that. All right, there we go. So now we have that stop loss and take profit in place. That protects my account and also gets rid of greed as well. I don't have to worry about what the account is doing. It's pretty much set it and forget it, right? That's not my position that I've put into. We'll see how this ends up playing out. Again, it's only 50 points up, 50 points down is what we're looking here. Again, just short positions. Again, I am trading on TradeXN is the name of my broker, and then we're using the range bars here as well. Again, these only move off of points, not time. So unless the market is moving that direction, they're not going to move. We jumped into a short position here, watching the RSI, the PSAR, and the range bars here telling us as well that we are getting a reversal. Tangela Palmer, how are you doing today? Again, welcome to my live. We'll be on here for another 15 minutes, and I got to jump off and head to work. Again, we're just doing 50-point trades here. We'll see how this trade ends up going here. If we'll be able to catch a short position or if we're just going to get knocked out. Again, we're always watching the range bars here for reversals, which is what we caught. But we'll see if this is going to end up trending sideways here on us or what. But again, welcome to my live, you guys. I'm here trading every single day. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, just give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. Again, we're using RSI indicators, the PSAR, and the range bars here as well. So anytime I do make a trade, it is just using the 1% of my account. Again, I use those stop losses and take profit anytime that I'm making a trade here. And we're always watching the range bars here, looking for that reversal, which is what we had caught. And it does, again, have that audio signal. Hey, Focus Kid, gotta go. Have a good day. Yeah, you too, man. Happy holidays, bro. So I make money regularly on this just by, again, that long-term consistency. So we just got the indicator to go long on BTC USD, but we are already in a trade, so we just ignore that and continue on with the trade that we have. Again, it can reverse, so we have that BTC or that stop loss and take profit in place to protect our account. Again, if the market goes against us, it does happen, but again, that's why we put that stop loss in place, and we only use that 1% of our account at all times, just in case, again, the market goes against us. And then that take profit in case we'll just get rid of greed, period. And then it also allows me to be able to make that trade if it goes that direction. And I can always take off and go do something else if I need to as well. I don't have to sit here panicking, biting my fingernails, waiting for it to hit. I can go do some other things. I'm a busy guy. I'll have time to sit here all day long, but I can put a trade in and then, take off for my day, and then I can always come back and see what happened, which is really another big benefit of this as well. Again, I'm trading on TradeXN. We have crypto stocks, Forex, and indices on here as well. And then we use the range bars. Also, again, these only move off points and not time, so it only moves when the market is moving. Each one of these bars is worth 15 points. And we do 50 to 100 point trades on the average here. Again, I trade crypto stocks, Forex, and indices as well. So we're currently in BTC USD right now. And this isn't options or futures trading. This is just binary trading, which means we can trade up or we trade down. So we can make money going either way. It's not like doing like stocks and whatnot, investing. We're not investing where you can only really make money going up. Of course, unless you're doing like options or futures where you can go both directions. But when you're just doing binary trading, then you can go up or go down as well. Again, we're just trading crypto stocks, Forex, and indices as well. Exchange Mine, again, thank you for the likes. Do appreciate that. We got 2 people in here. It's pretty quiet today. Yeah, I'll be on here for a few more minutes, and I do got to jump off. I got to head to work here. Looks like we might be starting to get a reversal back again on BTC. So it's starting to trend sideways here. But it looks like the PSAR has slowed down as well. So we'll see how this ends up playing out. Again, I'm able to put that stop loss and take profit in place and be able to walk away from a trade if I need to and not worry about it. I can go sleep at night not wondering what it's doing. I already know what my max profit and losses are. So again, we'll see how this trade ends up playing out. Welcome to anybody who's new. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, just give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. So we are getting more of a pullback there. Yeah, I changed my logo. I was looking for something a little bit easier to read. It looked a little more professional as well. So yeah, I definitely changed my logo. Nice of you to notice. Not everybody has said anything. All right, so we're getting a nice drop here on the range bow. There's the audio signal and trade down now as well. So we'll see if this continues down. What do I think of TRX USD? I have looked at that. Was that one? I can't remember if that was. Is that Tron? I think TRX is Tron, right? Because I think I had Tron, or I have Tron, as far as crypto goes. I don't remember if that's Tron. Okay, let me look really quick while I'm on here. Yeah, that's Tron. That's what I thought. Yeah, I own Tron. I'm actually in profit with Tron right now. So I'll be holding that. I think the high was 18 cents for Tron. Maybe it was higher than that. Right? No, 35 cents was the very high for Tron. And it's been trending up nicely on the weekly. So yeah, I'm definitely holding onto Tron. Got that reversal. How we doing here? So we're getting that sideways trend right now on the range bars. Again, we are getting really close to the PSAR here as well. So it's touching, which indicates to me that we're going to be getting a reversal here as well. Again, we're only looking for that 50-point reversal is all I'm trying to catch, just a quick scalp. Again, we'll see how this ends up playing out. Again, these only move off of points and not time. It makes it a lot easier. It also gets rid of all the noise. It just leaves a linear direction. But as you can see right now, it's bouncing back and forth because the market doesn't know what it wants to do. And again, there are audio signals with the range bars as well, letting you know which way the market is going as well. So it did give us a indication of a short position here with BTC USD. Again, only looking for that 50 points change. I'm not trying to ride it really far out, just again, short little scalps. Again, welcome everybody who is new. Welcome to my live. I'm here trading every single day. If you have any questions, please give me a follow. Enjoy the Discord link in my bio. I do have a whole bunch of training videos on how to use TradeXN, how to use the range bars as well. Absolutely for free. Again, the range bars are free. It just takes an email to sign up. Hey Blue, what is going on? Welcome to my live. We're currently in a trade with BTC USD in a short position right now using the RSI, PSAR, and the range bars here. Again, the range bars only move off of points and not time. It's not like the 5, 10, 20 minute candles. These are range bars. Again, only move when the market moves. It does have audio signal as well. Let us know a little while ago that we were to go into a short position here. But as you can see right now, it's trending back and forth, trying to figure out which way we're going to go. And again, we used the RSI and the PSAR. We are headed down direction with the RSI. And then the PSAR on the bottom, but they're touching, which means it should be reversing any time here. But again, we'll see what the market ends up doing. Hey Darwish, what is going on? Welcome to my live. Again, we're just using the range bars here in a short position on BTC. Again, only using 1% of your account at all times and using that stop loss and take profit, because this is all about risk management. You never know what the market's going to do. It is always changing every single second of the day. Again, welcome you guys to my live. If you have any questions, definitely please ask. If you want to learn more completely for free, please follow and join the Discord link in my bio. I do have the range bars and TradeXN is all in the link in my bio there on how to use them. Have a whole bunch of training videos, as well as some good books I have in the Discord as well to read when it comes to trading. A lot of this stuff is psychological. So we just got a PSAR reversal, confirming that we'll be going into a short position here as well. So we'll again see how this plays out. I just need some decent volume to make it move. So again, for my trading strategy, it's all about that range bar reversal first. Of course, the audio signal helps, which is a great confirmation as well. Then again, that PSAR reversing is another one. As soon as, of course, I jump into a trade like I did, I set that stop loss and take profit in place. That way I'm protecting my account. It's all about that risk management, and then the take profit as well. That way I already know what the profit is I'm going to make. I'm able to walk away from my computer too if I need to go do something else. Hey, big boy, again, thank you for those likes, getting me over 1,000. Really does help me out. Again, do appreciate that as always. Again, happy holidays to anybody that is just joining. I hope you are all with family and friends on these holidays. All right, I will be taking off here. What I got about 4 more minutes, and then I've got to get out of here. I got to get some breakfast before I go to work today. And when I do my trades, usually on a typical day too, I do between like 2 to 10 trades per day. This is my first trade for the morning. And still sitting in this trade because there just doesn't seem to be any volume, and it's going back and forth here. So again, we will see. I believe it's sitting right at the 78.8 Fibonacci line as well. So that's the other reason. Is trying to figure out which direction is going to go as well. Well, we are right at the overbought line 2 for RSI. It's about once it makes a move here, it's going to make a decent one. So again, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, Merry Christmas for tomorrow. Hey, big boy, what day is it for you? Is it Christmas Eve as well? I forget what time you're in. I think you're a couple hours ahead of me, aren't you? All right, 3 more minutes. Yeah, and I gotta go. Come on. It would have been nice to close out a trade while you guys are live with me here. But again, we'll see how this ends up going. Again, this is derivative trading. It's not options and it's not futures. Again, we're able to trade when the market goes up or the market goes down. So you and people are losing money in the markets, holding long term. We're able to make money going both directions here. So that's the 7 hours ahead. Yeah, okay. Oh, so you're like same time as Exchange Mine that's on here as well. He's about 6-7 hours as well too. I'm always trying to keep up with for London time when I do some of my trades as well. He uses the time frames to help with his trading, and London time's one of the time frames to use. I think that was 7 hours ahead. So I was trying to adjust for that. All right, what are we doing here? We are getting close to breaking back even. It looks like we're pushing back down here. We are definitely touching the PSAR. on the range bars. They did just flip just now. We got that reversal. 4:45. So yeah, you're 8 hours ahead of me. I'm Central Time in the U.S. All right, maybe we'll actually close out of maybe a trade. Now we've got like a minute left, and I do gotta jump off. But I will try. Well, I don't know. Tomorrow I probably won't be on. I know it's been kind of hit or miss, but with the holidays, it's been making it harder. But it might. Probably not going to be on tomorrow. I'll just say that. Who knows what will play out, but more than likely, I will be spending the morning with my family, opening presents, having breakfast, and whatnot. Then I'll have to go to work, so I'll be missing the trades in the morning. Well, I don't know what this is going to end up doing. But we're definitely catching that back and forth trend right now. But again, the PSAR is on top. The RSI looks like it is pushing down as well. So it looks like we may end up being okay. We are in profit here. Awesome. What time is it? All right, I'm gonna ride this out for just a couple more minutes, see if we can catch this live, and then I've got to jump off here and get some breakfast. But again, we'll see how it goes. Again, welcome anybody who's just joining. Again, there's information on TradeXN, and the range bars are all in the link in my bio. You can definitely go check that out. I am trying to grow my Discord as well. I'm up to around like 70 members, trying to get up to 100. Of course, we'll see how that goes. But again, there's lots of information. There's training videos as well, and then plenty of discussions. If you ever have any questions, you can come hit me up. Again, the link is in my bio there. Again, we're using TradeXN. Is the name of the broker. No trading fees, no commissions, and low spreads as well. And then the range bar is futurecapitaltrading.net, where you can sign up. It only takes your email to sign up for. All right. Okay, so it's 2:46. So big boys, 7 hours, right? And yours 5 hours, something like that. Anyway, all right, you guys, I gotta get off of here. And I will. You guys have a happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Now we'll hopefully talk to you all soon. Looks like we're closing out. At least we're in profit. Hopefully we'll hit that $50. See how that goes. Anyway, you guys have happy holidays, and I will see you all soon. If it'll close.